Hey, my name is Viola and you're in Module 11 of the in-depth SUSO SEO textbook where you learn the algorithmic perspective of SEO. And after two in-depth modules about technical SEO, this one is a bit more performance-driven, a little bit more output-driven. Here we talk about measuring website health and website performance, because we're doing a lot of activities, but ultimately we're not so much interested in producing pure output. We're interested in producing results and outcome. So we will teach you how you can use Google Search Console and Google Analytics to monitor the success of your activities as well as general website health. We will kick this module off by teaching you how to use Google Analytics and Google Search Console, and then we will go into an SEO's nightmare, a drop in traffic, and what you can do when you see that happening and how you can diagnose issues, find penalty notices, and also spot potential algorithm penalties or other sources of issues. So make sure to be prepared for the worst case by reading further in this module. From there, we go to page experience and page engagement, and we tell you how to look at core web vitals and basically the intersection of UX and SEO, right? Because as much as we want to be ranking, we also want traffic, and traffic means visitors, and we want those visitors to do certain stuff. We want them to take certain actions on the website, and we want to show you how Google may use engagement metrics for rankings. Last but not least, don't forget to take the quiz in the end of the module to test your knowledge.